पेन कुठे गेलं? पेन दिलं तुला मी? मॅम आज तारीख काय ग? 2
2 ऑक्टोबर.
Okay. Manisha, you write in your notebook problem number 15. That's all. Just sideways. So that next time anything, फक्त problem number 15 एवढंच लिही फक्त. Decoy problem number 15. That will help me. See here you understand decoy. Decoy means you are diverting attention of any one piece on the board. That piece which is doing something, no more he will do that. Okay, so that this concept is there. You don't forget that concept. I will show you. You are very near the answer. I will have to show you here. This first move is right. Yes.
F3.
Who F3? The rook F3?
The rook.
First move? No.
Yes.
Rook F3 is not the correct move.
Yes.
Not the correct move. The move should be, forced move. Here, if at all you do this F3, now black has many moves to do. Black can simply do this also. Just as an example. Or black can do here this also. Sorry, this is here. No? Black can do here also. Just as an example I am giving. Anything. So when you give the option to the opponent, then your work will not be done. So here check is without any option. This is the forced move. Now black cannot do any other move other than saving the king. And now saving the king also, there is only one place. This cannot kill and king cannot kill. Both cannot do it. So this is the only place. So this becomes a forced move. So this is a good move, basically. Perfect. So second move also is a good move. And here is the decoy, basically. Here, king cannot kill because of the support. So only person who can do this is this. Again, forced move. Now what happened because of this move? This king is locked. Cannot go here, cannot go here. Both the places are locked. And entire this line is also locked. So what you have to do is simply give check. And mate. This is very beautiful. This you are using your opponent's pieces to lock him. I think one such problem we had done earlier, using opponent's pieces beautifully. You brought your opponent's king over here. You brought this pawn over here, and then you give the check. The idea is that. And all these things should be there in your imagination without telling, now find the problem or solution of the problem. See, when you play a match, a tournament, when you play a game with somebody, nobody will be there to tell you within 2 moves you have a mate, or within 3 moves you have a mate, or within 3 moves you are getting one piece. Nobody is going to tell you. So all the time your antennae should be up, searching for a prospective move or a lead, searching for a lead. Lead means what? Whether you are getting any advantage, however small maybe, you have to search for a small advantage. This advantage turn into bigger advantage. डायरेक्टली आप सोचेंगे कि मैं एक चीज खेलने बैठूंगी या बैठूंगा तो मैं सामने वालों को मेट ही करूंगा, तो वो नहीं होता है. आप एकदम सिंपल ऐसा एम लेकर बैठो कि मेरा एक पीस या एक पॉन भी मैं फ्री नहीं देने वाला हूँ, नंबर 1। और मुझे एक पॉन फ्री में मिल गया सामने वाले का, तो मैंने बहुत कुछ पा लिया, बहुत कुछ पा लिया। सो योर एम शुड बी वेरी सिंपल एंड स्मॉल, 1 पॉन और 1 स्मॉल पीस। उसमें क्या होता है, आपका एडवांटेज मिल जाता है, और जैसे जैसे गेम प्रोग्रेस हो जाता है ना, वो एडवांटेज तो वैसे के वैसे ही रहता है कंटिन्यूस, वो एडवांटेज आपसे नहीं जाएगा, एंड एंड विल बी यू विल बी विनिंग। You understand that? See, playing and winning, these are two different things. I tell these things in my table tennis also. There may be many good players, many good players. I have seen some players playing in the club. They were playing, or they used to play like world champions. इतना गेम रहता है, इतनी प्रैक्टिस रहती है उनकी. They don't miss a single shot, single shot. But what used to happen when the match is started against somebody who is not a good player, not a very good player, I would say, वो player उसको आराम से defeat करते हैं, because that player knows how to take the point. That's all. He doesn't know anything else. He don't want to win entire game or entire match. He just want to win 1 point. And by winning one point, you gather 11 points. That is, I am talking about table tennis. So similarly in the chess also, you gather small points. You take one small pawn up. If you are a pawn up from your with your opponent, you are going to win 100%, provided you don't give up your advantage during the course of the game. मनीषा, मला आठवलं आता ह्याच्यावरनं, मी आता आपल्या ग्रुपवर एक आर्टिकल टाकलंय बघ, मीच लिहिलेलं आहे आर्टिकल, ते वाच, मला जरा त्याच्यावर रिस्पॉन्स दे. खूप छान मनापासून लिहिलेलं आर्टिकल आहे.
ओके, मी पाहिन. मालवणवर आहे का?
नाही नाही, आपल्या CHM वर टाकलंय मी. पण ते काय झालं, तेजीने काहीतरी मंदोदरी पुस्तकावरचं एक काहीतरी परीक्षण पाठवलेलं होतं.
अच्छा.
तर ते मंदोदरी म्हटल्यानंतर तो मला थोडासा आवडता सब्जेक्ट आहे, मायथॉलॉजिकल. तर त्याच्यामुळे मग त्याच्यावर मग मी बरीच मोठी कॉमेंट टाकलेली आहे. Anyway, so you understood this, to take the small advantage and then you make it big, then you win. I am telling you because on Sunday you are going to play a tournament. Already my other groups, they have started playing tournaments on the net, and I have already started punishing them the way they are playing. Some of the players, they are making, means while solving the problems, they are solving the problems like anything, good, very good. So I was hoping very good from them, but at the time of the tournament they are making very small mistakes, simple mistakes, and which is not good. So again and again I am saying, playing is different and winning is different, and you have to play to win. Very clear? Let us go for our next problem. I really hope that this you will solve it pretty well. I am not going to tell you how many moves or anything. Your move, and you have to find the best move. That's all. All further problems, whatever I am teaching, I am going to say the same thing. You have to find a good move. That's all.
ते जेव्हा गेम असणार तेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये रेग्युलर गेम स्टार्ट होणार की
रेग्युलर गेम स्टार्ट? नाही, प्रॉब्लेमचा आपल्याला नाहीये. रेग्युलर गेम, दोघांची पोझिशन इक्वल असेल, जसे आपण स्टार्टिंग पोझिशन आपली असते तशी. That's all. And you start from zero. So you have to build up your position. The first thing is that आपकी जो आर्मी आपको दे दी है, वो आर्मी को आपको चक्रव्यूह में बदलना है या साधे को व्यूह में बदलना है, वो आपके ऊपर है. उनको उस आर्मी के आपकी यूटिलाइजेशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि वो अटमोस्ट हो जाएगी, आपके लिए बेस्ट हो जाएगी, एनिमी के लिए खराब हो जाएगी. तो पोजीशन स्टार्ट में तो सबकी सेम ही रहती है. या इट इज वाइट टू प्ले. पोजीशन दोनों की इक्वल है. एक मिनट, एक रह गया. ये तो बहुत ज्यादा इजी है. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड मूव माइट बी इजियर फॉर यू. थर्ड मूव इज नॉट गुड, वेरी इजी. मैं आपको एक क्लू देता हूँ यहाँ पर. वन थिंग इज वेरी इजी, दैट इफ दिस goes over here, this goes over here, is it a checkmate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a checkmate, definitely. Or this is a back rank. This is a back rank. So if this goes over here, it is a checkmate. लेकिन यहाँ पर ये और ये दो जन बीच में आ रहे हैं, और ये यहाँ पर जाने के लिए ये बीच में आता है, ये भी प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है, ये भी प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है. सो मेनी प्रोटेक्शंस आर देयर. अभी आपको मूव फाइंड आउट इस तरह से करनी है कि ये सब प्रोटेक्शन को निकाल देना है, उखाड़ के फेंक देना है. कंपल्शन, डूइंग कंपल्शन. यस, यू कैन.
Sir, rook to b2.
खरी गोष्ट आहे. आलं ना? या you can see everybody now.
Yes.
कोणीतरी सांगत होतं, अनुष्का की कोण?
Yeah,
She was telling
Anushka,
one
Anushka.
Rook to b2.
Rook to b2. Fantastic.
पण समोरचं
Rook to
रूक
b2.
खाईल ना.
Yeah, exactly. Rook to b2. Then this rook will come to b2. What next? Could be this move. Yeah, fine.
Sir, queen to d4.
Queen to d4.
Queen to d4. Very good. Then this will come over here.
Sir, then queen takes queen.
Queen takes queen.
Sir, then
Okay, let us find out what happens. Then this will take this. Rook takes queen. So ultimately, after third move, black will have one rook over here, one rook over here. White will have bishop over here and one rook over here. See this. This is what you are saying. This, attacking this and attacking this both. This comes over here. You take this. He takes this. What next? So whatever he plays this to come over here, this will come back. So here white will lose because now exchange down.
पण तू व्हाईट रूकला डी मध्ये का ठेवलं इन्स्टेड ऑफ ई?
1 minute, एक मिनिट सांगतो. Yeah, this is the starting position. हा, आता काय म्हणालीस तू?
नाही तिथे
हा,
ड्युरिंग द
चुकीचं
प्ले
ठेवलं. हा,
ते तिकडे ठेवलं असतं, पण नाही, मग ते रूकने तो रूक घेतला असता. एनिवे, बट टू स्टार्ट विथ, इफ द क्वीन गोज टू D7,
here.
हा,
Oh, if queen goes to D7. This will go over here. Or even instead of that, check. Sorry.
कोणी कोणाला चेक दिला?
Sorry, check नाही असं. Sorry, no, check नाही. हा, इथून इकडे येतो, हा, इकडे येतो. हा, sorry, check. हा, इकडे ब्लॅक टी मूव है ना. हाँ, so here and then क्या होता है, ये सब क्लियर कैंसिलेशंस हो जाते हैं. You do it or I will do it. ये जो बाजू में गिरा था, बाजू में पड़ा था, वो वापस वॉर जोन में आ गया. There could be another move from black is this. So पहले ये करो या ये करो, दो में से एक करो. If white takes this, black will take this. If white takes this, black will take this. So it is a similar situation. Absolutely similar situation. ये white जीत सकता है because white has got this pass pawn, but it will take long time, very long. Yeah, this is the position.
The first rook to B2.
First, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बेटा.
The rook to B2.
Rook to B2, okay. I understand. Rook to B2. Then black will play. Black will play this naturally, very naturally, because मिल रहा है, एक पीस जाएगा तो एक पीस तो मिलना ही चाहिए, which is अगर black ने यहाँ पर ये लिया नहीं अगर रुक, तो फिर black यहीं पर हार रहा है, तो सवाल ही नहीं है. This is a forced move. Rook takes rook.
So then the other rook to C1.
Other rook to C1 here.
No, sir, I think even.
D1, okay. Other rook to D1. This is a good one. Yeah, this is the move. Other rook.
No,
तो
sir,
अच्छा even. Okay. यानी कि ये invitation. Okay. So it will go here, or this rook will come back over here. I will show you. If you do this, यहाँ पर there are so many chances. ये तो नहीं मारेगा पक्का, क्योंकि ये मारेगा तो नीचे चेकमेट है, लेकिन ये मार सकता है. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, नहीं मारा तो भी ये वापस जा सकता है, उसको सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं. तो रुक तो बच गया नंबर 1, यानी एक्सचेंज अप ऑलरेडी ब्लैक. और ये तो कोई नहीं, यही कोई भी यही करेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी क्लियर. एक दूसरे के सपोर्ट में प्रेशर ज्यादा रहेगा. इसके बाद में ब्लैक तो सीधा चेक देगा और ये दोनों एक्सचेंज करेगा. दैट्स ऑल. सो दिस इज seems to be not a very good move. यानी आप खेलते वक्त अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई तो आपको दिखना ही चाहिए कि ये सिचुएशन आपके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद है. Starting planning immediately. Oh yes, I get the advantage. On a face value, nobody can see the advantage over here. But there is. Should I show you?
Yes.
You want to try more? See, now what I can see is that last time, the last problem, somebody has said first right moves. Who was that? Who said those moves? Rook से check और बाद में second check also from h5 or
Sorry.
h4 or something. Who me?
Avni.
Avni. Okay, so you had said it rightly, but you couldn't see it further. You could see only two moves. So this thing is happening in this problem also. Earlier, somebody said right moves. Who was that? Again here also.
Anushka, I think.
It was Anushka. It was Anushka. Fine. So here this move is right. It is what it is. It is inviting